What's happening, Hardscapers? We're back and we're going to be doing a lot of miscellaneous stuff today, including getting that polymeric sand in, testing out our lights, doing a lot more digging. Let's get into it. So you can actually see how much this polymeric sand goes down after compacting it compared to uncompacted. And even still, this has been vibrated down, and that's gone down quite a bit. 1/4 inch to at least 1/2 inch in some spots. End of the day, steps are about halfway done, a little bit more. That's going to be completed tomorrow, as well as the pond dig out finally. And then we're moving along with getting gravel in for these steps, getting these steps done, because we got that delivery, which I did not expect on Monday, but it's here and we're moving along here. End of day 9, I think it is here. And what we did today, luckily my brother came to help me out. We focused on getting some of that steps excavation done. So I got a little bit more than halfway. He helped me out for a few hours, which was awesome. And we also did the polymeric sand. So I ran actually 2 bags short. I thought I had actually got about 1 bag extra than I needed. Turns out I was 2 bags short. So I went to the stone yard, got those 2 bags, finished up the installation of the sand by myself, and then I continued with the step excavations. So tomorrow will be finishing up the pond dig out. We got a bin showing up that's getting put in the bin, as well as the final excavation for the step install as well. And this project is coming to where we really need to be moving along. That being said, we've got some great progress really. And once that pond dig out is done, I will be so happy. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to like, subscribe, whatever you need to do to show your support for us. Comment below on how we're doing, how you like that walkway look with the polymeric sand finished, and thank you for watching.